In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Format Painter on Google Spreadsheet. Very simple. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So what we are going to do with this video is we are going to give these three lines or these three rows the same format as the ones on top here, just like you can do on Excel. So what we are going to do is we just copy a single row. Yeah, something like that. Just tap on the row like that. And then you can see at the ribbons here, these are tabs and these are ribbons. Let me call it that same way. You can see this painter button here. Just tap on the paint. If you want to apply it to the three, you can select the three as a whole and it's going to apply to all of them. So now let me hold and drag to all the three. And you see, I copy the format to it. Very simple. So you just copy a single line that has the format, select the whole lines, the whole rows that you want the format to apply on, and then you apply it. So always remember the paint button here. So if you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.